What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to do this cool 3D text. It's actually really cool. It's pretty easy and it looks super cool. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make two lines as like guidelines. I'm going to make them red, or any color that you don't plan to use. Just make it that color. One line for the top, another line for the bottom. All right, and these are just going to be guides. And I'll do another line for the lowercase. All right, and now we're going to use the pen tool, and we're going to go ahead and start tracing out what I want written. So I'm going to go with a C here. Curve. Now you don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just going with something pretty simple. I want more of an angle, so I'm going to start over again. I'm going to go a little bit more of an angle. Go here. There we go. I like that angle. Curve it downward. Now it doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. You can go back and adjust. I'm going to go with Cali since I live in California. Go ahead and adjust this piece. There you go. I'll make the A. So here. Try to keep the same angle. Down at the bottom. Top. Right back down. Making the L, back of the L, keep the same angle. Now in for the I. Actually, you know what? I don't like how the L looks. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to go up here. There you go. That looks a little better. Again, you can adjust it. I'm going to adjust it because I don't completely like how it looks. So for the I, and then finish it off here. So I'm going to fix some of these lines. I'm actually going to add a little bit of a intersection there. I like that. Now I'm gonna make the C a little bit bigger, just because I like those oversized capitals. I'm gonna add a little bit of a ornate at the bottom. Boom. And just the I, just a little bit again. Bring the angle in a little bit. There we go. Now, after you've written down what you like and you like how it looks, it's all nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and hide these lines. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a circle. So go to your ellipse tool, or just L on the keyboard. Make a circle. Not too big, but not too small either. Make it a fill. So Shift X to switch from fill to stroke. Right, that's what happens. Shift X, and then we're gonna do a gradient on this, and I'm gonna go from blue to purple. So let's make this into a gradient. Make sure the fill is selected. Hit gradient, and then I'm gonna go from light blue on one side and then purple on the other. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a copy of this circle, and I'm gonna drag it to the right. Perfect. Now I'm going to click and drag, select both circles, and I'm going to do Option Command B or Alt Control. I believe it's Control on a PC. If that doesn't work for you on a PC, then you can go to Object, Blend, Make, which does the same thing. There you go. And then you should go over here on your Blend tool, double click it. Boom. Click on Preview, go to Specified Steps, and then just Shift and then hit up. And then just keep doing it till it looks smooth. You don't see the circles anymore. Click OK. And then we're gonna make a copy of this. So click, hold Alt or Option, and then drag down. Now once you have that, you're gonna select the blend, the circles, and then select the first part, of the stroke of the letters. Go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. Boom. Look at that. That is beautiful. And you're going to do the same thing with the other parts. So make a copy. Make sure that's selected. Select the next part of the text. Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And the last one with a little ornate at the bottom. Select, Object, Blend, Replace Spine. Now you see these are all a little too big, but we can adjust these. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on one, and then you're going to either double click it or click up here in this little button. This has a little square with the 4 arrows pointing in. Isolate object. So now you can select one of the two ends and you can downsize it. Boom. You can move it out. Downsize it some more. I like that progression from small to big, so we'll keep it like that. Oh, too much. There we go. So that C looks beautiful. Let's move on to the A. Like I said, either click the button or double click. Downsize the first part, one of the circles. You can move it out if you want to. You can still adjust the path too if you need to. There we go. So if you don't necessarily like how the path looks, well, when you have the blend in there, you can still adjust. Now you see on this one how you can still see like each little circle, each little edge of the circle. We're going to take that away in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and move it outward, away from the C a little bit. And now while you have this selected, double click on the blend tool over here again. Preview, hold shift, and then just go up until it looks smooth. Click OK when you like it. And then let's work on the ornate. Going from small to big. And then I kind of want to adjust the angle of this. So boom. Perfect. And what's cool too is once you have what you like, you can switch, which way the curve goes. So you can go to select it, object, go to blend, and then reverse front to back. You see how that turned out? Same thing with this one. Object, blend, reverse front to back. Or you can even do reverse spine. That's not supposed to happen. There we go. Reverse spine. And it pretty much just flips everything. Blend. Reverse spine. There you go. See that? Pretty cool, right? Now I'm gonna add one more for the top of the eye. needed to do it again, just repeat the process. Make sure you're on specified steps. Bring the number up until it's smooth. Select both objects. Option Command B. No, sorry, I already did that. Forget that. Replace spine. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. And then just adjust as necessary. Look at that. Perfect. Group. Center. Center. Out of background. Let's make it black. Send to back. You know what? Let's make it dark gray. No, let's just keep it black. I like it black. Black looks good. And then that's pretty much it. That's all it is to it for this 3D text. You can do it for anything pretty much. Just, whatever you do, it takes a little bit more time. A little bit more effort. But this is the easy way to do it. I chose a quick word, for the sake of this tutorial, but it can work all the way up to longer words. And it doesn't have to be cursive. You could do, block text. Well, I mean, it wouldn't be block, but it, sans serif text and stuff like that, and it'll still work. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like this. I hope this helps you out in the future. I hope it helps you out on future projects. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. So thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Peace.